So, irritable bowel syndrome, coconut. Coconut milk is fun to use for ice cream, but coconut water is almost a specific for curing diarrhea and irritable bowel. And you can buy it in nice little containers at the grocery store, just coconut water. Cutting back on sugar, caffeine, citrus, and spicy foods, not counting hot sauce, but other aberrant spicy foods, is helpful for some people with irritable bowel syndrome. Once again, if you have a good balanced diet of vegetables and not eating like that early slide I showed that had the deep fried whatever it was, that's one of the better things you could do for yourself. The more vegetables you eat, the better off you are. Motion sickness, I had friends who flew from New Zealand, and they were so amazed that the New Zealand Airlines furnished them with ginger tablets. Before and after the flight, they experienced no motion sickness and no jet lag. Ginger works really well. You can grow your own ginger. You can go to the farmer's market and get ginger, use it fresh. When I was in New Guinea on that first trip that I referred to, New Guinea is a Stone Age culture. People wear no clothes. They live completely on what they grow. They literally use stone tools. And so I was in the jungle for a week or more, and then I flew back to Bali, and I had been without ice for a week and cool water for a week. And I didn't realize how dehydrated I'd probably gotten, but the first restaurant I got to on Bali served ginger tea with ice. And it was one of the most refreshing things I have ever tasted. Boiled ginger root, strained with a little bit of honey in it over ice, and it's fabulous.